Earning your spot, mastering English phrases. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're going to explore an interesting English phrase, earn your spot. This phrase is used quite commonly, and understanding it can really help you sound more like a native speaker. Let's dive into what this phrase means and how you can use it in your conversations. Earn your spot is a phrase that suggests that someone has worked hard or proven their abilities to gain a particular position or status. It implies that the position wasn't just given, it was earned through effort and merit. This phrase can be used in various contexts, from sports to professional environments. Let's see how earn your spot can be used in different scenarios. 1. In sports, he trained for months and finally earned his spot on the football team. 2. In education, she studied tirelessly and earned her spot at the top university. 3. In work, after years of dedication, he finally earned his spot in the company's executive team. These examples show how versatile this phrase can be. It's important to note that earn your spot doesn't imply anything negative. It's a recognition of someone's hard work and achievements. Be careful not to confuse it with phrases that might sound similar but have different meanings. Now, let's practice using this phrase. Try to create your own sentences or think about situations where you might have heard it. Practicing will help you become more comfortable with using earn your spot in your conversations. And that's it for today's lesson. We hope you now have a better understanding of the phrase, earn your spot, and can use it confidently in your daily English conversations. Remember, learning a language is all about practice, so keep trying and you'll definitely earn your spot among fluent English speakers. See you in the next video.